day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Alon Watch Curve smartwatch, and this time we are going to show you the results on our pedometer test, or what we call the step counter test. So we tried to have at least 1,000 steps to check the accuracy of the step counter of the Alon Watch Curve, and so far the result is good, the result is okay. So if you want to know about the details on the step counter, watch this video and like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, as you can see here, we do have the Alon Watch Curve, and let me show to you the step counter. So we have here the activity. We do have the exercise. As you can see here, we do have the walking goal, and we have the exercise record. So this is our exercise activity. We have at least 10 minutes for the duration. The total steps is 987 steps out of 1,000. The calories, 49 calories burned. Average heart rate here is 103 beats per minute, with a total distance of 50 miles. Okay, or 0.50 miles. We do have a lightweight here activity, just 10 minutes, as you can see here. And so far, as you can see, very good. The same with our almost the same with the 1,000 steps. And of course, the result here, we compared it with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9, and here's the result. Later on, I'm going to show you the graph, okay, the table for the activity. So we have here the activity, we have the walking. So 10 minutes compared with it, 10 minutes and 6 seconds, as you can see here. It's almost the same. Okay, for the calories, we have 49, we have 38 here for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. 105 average heart rate, almost the same here. But we do have some pace here, but we don't have it here on our Alon Watch Curve. Okay, as you can see here, for the steps, 998, very close for the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. And that's not all, we also tested it, okay, side by side with the Huawei Band 9, and of course I will show it to you again, the results. We have the walking here, 72 kilometers, 0.72 kilometers. We have here the duration, 10 minutes and 7 seconds. This is almost the same. For the calories burned here, it's almost the same, as you can see from the result. We don't have the pace here, but we do have on our Huawei Band 9. For the steps, it's a bit different here for our Huawei. So it's more than 13 steps, okay, but still good. We do have the heart rate, 105 beats per minute, average heart rate, almost the same with our Alon Watch Curve. And based on the result here, it is a very good result for our Alon Watch Curve. So if you are going to purchase this because of the step counter, I think the step counter for the Huawei Band 9 or for the Alon Watch Curve is just okay. Okay, just plus and minus 10. But the heart rate is so good, as well as the calories. It's almost the same with our Huawei Band 9 here and the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. For the full graph and the tables, watch for the next image here that I'm going to show it to you. We have here the complete data, a table for the step counter for our Alon Watch Curve. Our first test out of 1,000 do have 987, and for the second test we do have 94. A much better result. For the Huawei Band 9, it's more than 1,000. For the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, we do have 996. And the second one is 995. So the second test is almost the same with our Alon watch curve. So far, based on the results here, I think it's okay for the Alon watch curve. The accuracy test for its speedometer. Much better, I think, with the Huawei Band 9. So, as you can see here, out of 1,000, our second test is much closer to the actual step count. The same with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. And for the next graph, we do have here the heart rate. I guess the heart rate it's okay, I think. It's almost the same with other wearable Huawei Band 9 or the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 when it comes to the average heart rate. But I think it's off for the burned calories more than the Huawei Band 9 and the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. We do have 49 calories burned during the 1000 step exercise. Here is a complete table for the average heart rate and the calories burned. Okay, for the first test, it's almost the same with the Huawei Band 9 and the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 when it comes to average heart rate. Lower for the second test. While for our calories burned, it's a bit off for the Alon watch curve. It is always higher compared to other wearable. +5 for the Huawei Band 9 compared to Huawei Band 9. But for the steps, I think the record is okay. So hopefully we have provided you an insights on the accuracy test for the step counter, pedometer, walk test for our Alon watch curve smartwatch. Bye.